Hello everyone, today we are unboxing this LCD projector. It's 1080p, which is all the standard, so as far as quality goes, this is going to look pretty much like all your other projectors that are 1080. They kind of all look about the same. You can screen mirror and you can project. So it's got a projector screen, 100 inches. That's actually pretty awesome. And this one actually can do 2.4G and 5G Wi-Fi. So this one has a leg up on some of the other brands because most don't do 5G. Let's go ahead and unbox it and show you what you get. Now here's the screen, which is 16 by 9, 100 inches. We're not going to set the screen up because we need to customize our room to make it fit. But we will go ahead and show you everything that you get inside the kit here, which you get cotton swabs for cleaning, you get a manual. This is your remote control, and it is just a standard remote control, standard features that pretty much most of the projectors have that. This brand does provide you, of course, your power cable, but also audio and video cables, and they give you an HDMI cable, so HDMI to HDMI, which is great for connecting to this and a game system, computer, and so much more. On the bottom here, you can thread this out. If you thread that out, that just gives you an angle, which means this will set at an angle, and you can go pretty far. So if you have it setting down like that, it will set at the angle that you set it for. It does have a lens protector, which is nice. Most of these do not have a lens protector. So far we're seeing this has a little more features than your typical one, and you can also mount it on any tripod right there. On the back here, just some breathability. You have VGA port, USB port, HDMI port, a TF card slot, audio and video port, a headphone jack, and here is the lens. Now you can twist this to adjust the focus. And there looks like a filter, so that's a plus. Most do not have a filter. So this one does have a little more options than your typical projector. And just to show you the quality. Okay, my friends, now to show you what it looks like. Here you can see the quality, and I do have to admit it is very big and it is pretty decent quality. You can adjust it to get it, the quality to be more focused. And of course at nighttime is when you want to do this, or at least in a room where it's completely dark. You guys can see that, it can definitely be better when it's somewhere dark. But overall, very nice. We're going to be setting up a room, and we'll do an update once this is completely finalized and set up in a couple months or so. But thank you guys for watching. Overall, I think it does offer a couple more features than your typical projector, and because of that, I definitely do recommend this.